So as you guys know, we just bought 15 dirt bikes for $12,000 and we have no clue what condition they're in. Like, we don't know anything about them. We're bringing them home right now and we're about to open them up, see what's inside. Like, do any of them run? Do they have tires on them? Like, at this point in the video, I have no clue. I have never looked in the trailer. So before we rip this thing open, let's just hit that like button and share and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because it really helps us out and you will see all of our future videos. So let's go ahead and do that. So you can see we just opened the trailer, and at first we just started pulling out like the trashy bikes, the Chinese ones, the moped, anything that didn't really look appealing. But then we started getting into it and it's like, hey, there's some good bikes here. Like, there's a CRF 70, a few KX 65s, there was a CRF 250, a YZ 250. Like, there were some good bikes in here. So we were actually shocked. We got it for 12 grand. Like, took a huge risk, but we'll see. Maybe we'll come out on top.
Oh, we're going with the Coleman. Oh, the Coleman runs! Bro! You can't take this. Bike. Oh, come on. Hey, we got a KX running! I know Mark's CTR needed to choke for like a minute.
This is gonna be like the thumbnail right here. Oh my goodness, you just covered the...
One more. Ah, you see how big that run is?
That was a fat burnout right there.
Wow, great job.
This is on. There's an arrow.
That's how we had it. Oh, dude, it literally peeled out. Okay, so we just pumped all the bike tires up. We're gonna see if any of them hold air. So we'll start with this. Okay, Bev. Hey, you're running over our magic fluid. Okay, Caleb.
I didn't get a gas.
So we got most of the bikes up. Caleb's riding the other ones like back there, and then there's still one he has to push down. But we got the good old Honda here, KX, little mini, whatever that is, DRX. Got the moped, 2 KX65s, then one of those, little Coleman, the Hog, then we got the 450 right here. The sapsucker is huge and awesome. I love it. And then we have the SSR 50. This thing runs. We had like a brake issue, but the dude just put too much brake fluid in it, and so like we just unscrewed the bolt, bled it just a little bit. This is a KX60. This one's not in the package. We bought this one a long time ago, and yeah, that's a KX60. TTR 125, we have a buyer for this one. Some guy already wants it. Not some guy, he's really our uncle. But yeah, this bike has already been used. Did you guys take it into the water?
No.
No? No, don't. We actually may sell that one. Yeah, we're gonna sell this one.
If it's pressure washed, it's gonna look like.
Oh yeah, no, it already looks good. So all the bikes are in the carport. We're just gonna run through and show you guys which ones run. This one runs.
This one.
This one runs. Let's see.
This one runs.
That one runs.
This one runs. Second crank edition.
This one runs.
So I'm back here with all the bikes, and I just want to say thank you for watching to the end of the video. Like, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe, hit the notification bell, because you see every single one of these dirt bikes, there's probably going to be a video of every single one of these getting cleaned up, ripped on, and then sold. So just stay tuned, hit that bell, you'll get a notification anytime we post a new video. That's like a win-win for us and for you guys. So just stay safe.